Hello students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is story writing. Guidelines. A story is divided into paragraphs. A good story has a beginning and middle. The first paragraph is introductory while the last one contains conclusion. The middle paragraphs develop the topic. Tips for effective writing style. Organizing ideas. The piece must have an organic growth. Ideas should be linked together and grow from each other organically. The first sentence in each paragraph should be a topic sentence. Each paragraph must deal with one idea point. Cohesion and style. Ensure expression in clear and grammatically correct English. Use appropriate style, structure and vocabulary. Choose proper tense, form and determiners. Connectors, linkers and preposition make the story more effective. Correct spelling, प्रॉपर पंक्चुएशन एंड कैपिटल एड्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ द स्टोरी। तो बच्चों जान लेते हैं कि हम स्टोरी राइटिंग जो है वो कैसे लिखें और अगर हमें स्टोरी राइटिंग आती है तो हम कैसे उसे एनहांस करें। ठीक है, आपकी स्टोरी जो है वो हमेशा पैराग्राफ्स में डिवाइड होनी चाहिए। अगर आप एक ही पैराग्राफ में सब कुछ लिख देंगे तो रीडर को समझ में नहीं आएगा। स्टोरी की हमेशा बिगनिंग होनी चाहिए, एंड होना चाहिए और उसका मिडल भी होना चाहिए। हमेशा आपका स्टोरी का जो फर्स्ट पार्ट होना चाहिए वो इंट्रोडक्टरी होना चाहिए। ठीक है, उसके बाद आप उसके बारे में डिटेल में लिखोगे। अब आपको अगर अपनी स्टोरी को इफेक्टिव बनाना तो यहाँ पे कुछ टिप्स दिए गए हैं। आपके आइडियाज़ ऑर्गेनाइज होने चाहिए, आपके कोहेसन एंड स्टाइल जो होना चाहिए वो डेवलप्ड होना चाहिए। ठीक है, नाउ सॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चंस। Amit decided to write a story, but after some time he could not complete the story as he lost interest in it. Complete the story in 80 to 100 words on the basis of beginning given below. A tiger once saw a hare sitting under a tree and asked what he was doing. Answer: the wasp is going. A tiger once saw a hare sitting under a tree and asked what he was doing. Oh, answered the hare, I am keeping watch over my grandfather's going. Where is the going? Asked the tiger. Up there, said the hare, pointing to a large round object hanging from one of the branches. If you like, you may strike to it to see how well it sounds, but let me go farther away, for the sound always brings tears to my eyes. The tiger said he would like to sound the going. And the hare at once scampered off down the path. The tiger raised his paw and gave the gong a great blow, which scattered it. It was a wasp nest and not a gong at all. Hundreds of wasps at once settled on the tiger's face and stung him with such violence that he nearly went out of his mind. The sting made a brown mark on the tiger's face, and to this day all tigers have those marks. Now second, Aditi decided to write a story for her school magazine, but after some time she could not complete the story as her mother gave her some other work. Complete the story on the basis of the beginning given below using 80 to 100 words. An old man had 2 daughters. He loved both of them. Once he asked them. Answer: salt and sugar. An old man had 2 daughters. He loved both of them. Once he asked them, what is the sweetest thing in the world? Sugar, said the older girl. Salt, said the younger girl. The old man thought the younger daughter was mocking him. He said, if salt is sweeter than sugar, you had better find another home where the cooking is more to your taste. And he pushed her out of the house. It was a beautiful summer night. The pretty maiden sat singing in the forest near her father's cottage when a young prince, who had lost his way hunting, came to her. Struck by her beauty and gaiety, he fell in love with her and took her to his palace and married her. The bride invited her father to the wedding banquet without telling him who she was. All the dishes were prepared without salt. The guests began to murmur. Oh, said the bride's father, salt is truly the sweetest thing in the world. But when my daughter said so, I threw her out of the house. If only I could see her again and tell her how sorry I was, drawing the veil from her face. The happy girl went up to him and hugged him. Then properly salted dishes were brought in and all the guests ate their fills. तो बच्चों जैसे यहाँ पे आपको दिया गया है, 2 स्टोरीज आपको बताई गई है, ठीक है। आप चाहो तो इनको से सीख लेकर के आप दूसरी स्टोरी, अपनी खुद की स्टोरी भी इनोवेट कर सकते हो, इमेजिन करके उसे बना सकते हो, ठीक है। या फिर आप इन स्टोरीज को ही क्या कर सकते हो, आइडिया लेकर इन्हें दोबारा से और लंबा और ऐड करके इन्हें और अच्छे से एंड कर सकते हो। तो बच्चों आई होप आपको स्टोरी राइटिंग का ये कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा। अब इसका रिवीजन और दी गई एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे।